In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your video quality in Microsoft Teams, even though the platform automatically adjusts it based on several factors. Now, I know it can be a bit frustrating not having a manual setting to directly select the video resolution you want. However, don't worry because there are things you can do on your end to ensure you're getting the best possible quality during your calls. First and foremost, let's talk about your internet connection. This is a crucial component when it comes to video calls. To ensure optimal video quality, try to connect to a stable and fast Wi-Fi network. If you have the chance, using a wired Ethernet connection can be even better. This can provide a more reliable connection than Wi-Fi, as it's less prone to interference or sudden drops. With a stable internet connection, Microsoft Teams can automatically adjust to a higher video quality, providing you with a clearer and more seamless experience. Next up, we want to talk about system performance. Your device's ability to handle video calls smoothly can significantly impact the quality. Make sure your system is running efficiently by closing any unnecessary applications or programs that might be hogging resources. This not only frees up space, but also ensures that Teams has ample bandwidth to run at its best. Consider closing down anything that isn't essential to your current task. This might mean pausing that big software update or closing a game running in the background. Another thing to keep an eye on is your bandwidth availability. Essentially, this refers to the amount of data your network can handle at any given time. When multiple people are downloading large files or streaming high-definition videos simultaneously, it could slow down your entire network. To preserve bandwidth, it's a good idea to avoid background downloads or streaming services when you're on an important call. Communicating with others in your household or workplace to manage heavy internet use can also contribute to a smoother call experience. In summary, although Microsoft Teams adjusts video quality based on your internet speed, system performance, and bandwidth availability, there's still plenty within your control to optimize your video quality. Connect to a fast, stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet, maintain efficient system performance by closing unnecessary applications, and monitor your bandwidth availability to prevent it from stretching too thin. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to enjoying clearer and higher quality video calls in no time. So there you have it. These simple yet effective strategies can significantly impact your video quality in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. Have a great day.